Hey everybody, what is up? It is your boy Evan Jones, and yeah, time for an unboxing video. I got this from Shapeways. It's a 3D printing company, and yeah, gonna open it up and see what is inside. I know what is inside, but I figured, you know what, I unbox it for you guys. So here we go. I can do this one-handed. Definitely don't do that one-handed. Okay, so we're going to open it up. Well, it's really packaged up, so that's good. Got the whole thing. And there it is. There we go. I was pretty much tired of using just hand drawing insignias. Oh wow, these are like, well, they're super detailed, however they are like clear plastic white, but that is okay because we can go with that. Move the camera here. Yeah, should have realized that. I need a black surface. Oh, we will use the black sock, or yeah, it's a black sock. So there we go. Get that focused. But yeah, Blood Raven's insignia, they are like really small. I was having reserves about them being too big, but those are just the right size for the shoulder pads. I was thinking they would be like covering up the entire shoulder pad, but no, those will fit like right in the middle. So those are excellent. But yeah, once again, I got these from Shapeway. Right there. I'll go ahead and throw the website on the description box. You can go ahead and check them out. Again, this is a 3D printing company, so these, I would want to say, like, would run like, you know, if it was like a normal company for these and they like mass produce these, this would be like, you know, $3-5. But because they're like, you know, made to order, you order them, then they print them. These ran me about $22, but I got like 60 of them. Hope this helps you guys. Go ahead and hit that like button. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.